Hello, I'm Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make homemade bagels. The ingredients that you will need are warm water, bread flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. In a stand mixer bowl, add the warm water, then add the yeast, salt, and sugar. Let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the yeast looks frothy, add a cup of flour. Mix in a low setting for a minute. Then add another cup of flour. Mix again under low setting. Lastly, add the cup of flour, and mix under low to medium setting for 5 minutes. Or mix until there's no more flour sticking inside the bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and proof the dough for 2 hours. For the egg wash, use a small bowl, add a teaspoon of water, 1 egg, and set this aside. After 2 hours, the dough will double in size. In a clean pastry board, sprinkle it with flour. Knead the dough for a minute. And divide it in small portions. Put them in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Proof the dough again for 30 minutes. After proofing, they will double in size. In a large pan under medium heat, add 4 cups of water and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then let this boil. While waiting for it to boil, punch a hole in the middle of each dough. Once the water bath is ready, add the bagels. Cook one side for 1 minute. Then flip the bagels and cook for another 1 minute. Put them in the baking pan, then preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. When the bagels are done with the water bath, brush each bagel with an egg wash. You can sprinkle the toppings you'd like to use, such as sesame seeds, sunflower seed, cheddar cheese, and more. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And here's the final results. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for my next video. Have a great day!